Ay! Ang sakit.
Grabe. Perfect. Hey, Mac Jude.
Mac Jude Marikit. Mac Jude Marikit. Mac Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Masbate, Binibini 17,
Arnold.
Hannah Arnold.
Wow.
Through modeling, 25-year-old Hannah has provided a library and reading area in an elementary school in her hometown.
Ano na kasi very
She believes in the power of education in helping mold a bright future for children.
Reyna, yung taon. Yung bag. Kana pa girl.
Ganda na ng katawan ni Masbate. Ang ganda ng catwalk niya, simple,
Binibini 17, from
elegant,
Masbate,
and
Hannah
classy.
Arnold.
Wow.
Wow.
Yan na ako,
Perfect.
anak ko nila si Juliet na akong bet. Ang gusto, ano ka niya? Nabiga.
Sandro Lemon,
Maganda talaga si Arnold, no?
55, 24.
But Kuya Beauty yan very mature. Dahil para sa una nga, very baby talaga yan. Kasi dili ko to bonggan choice sa niya gown. Green, di ba? Green na.
Pero bongga ko niya, national costume man, may daba.
Yes.
From Rizal,
Wow!
Binibini 25, Honey Grace Artisan. 27-year-old Honey has a big heart that is
Pagkang tumingin sa
comparable
daan.
to the Gigantes in her hometown Rizal.
Mother.
Ganda! Yung kampang
She has
Ballesteros to.
experience working at a young age
grabe.
to survive and finance her own studies.
Perfect, pare. Ganda. Wow! Ang ganda din naman ng short hair.
From Rizal, Binibini 25, Honey Grace Artisan.
Wow, lawan.
Ganda.
Kailang, magaling kailang.
Oo.
Perfect.
Ganda. Wow.
Tugod mo nito kung Vega.
Ano yung movie?
Mahusay.
Wala kayo today. Wow, sana ako. Now pa yun ang sa naglalit.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng
Dahil ako na
style.
mag-generali po dito sa buhok.
24, from
Wow,
Angeles City,
ganda.
Pampanga, Maria Francesca
Tarot.
Tarot.
Wow.
Sige, tarong.
Apart from being a pageant
Uy,
veteran,
ang ganda flat yung
23-year-old
chan niya.
Francesca is also a
Wow.
chess pageant
Uy,
veteran.
ang ganda flat yung
23-year-old
chan niya.
Francesca is also a
Wow.
chess master. A naturally competitive
Maganda.
and sweet beauty.
Yung mukha niya parang
Liz
Samantha
videos and
Bernardo.
model campaigns for mental health and women empowerment.
Oo. Pak! Ganda girl.
International.
Pang international talaga siya. Wow, ang ganda.
Binibini 24, from Angeles City, Pampanga, Maria Francesca Tarot.
Wow. Perfect ka girl. Ganda. Galing niya maglaro.
Ay! Ang sakit.
Grabe. Perfect. Ganda ng puwet. O, tignan mo. Pinag-aralan yung walk. Wow. Pak. May sarili siyang walk.
Wow.
Hindi kinapi. May originality. Pak. Wow.
From Borongan, Eastern Samar, Gabriel. And from Borongan, Eastern Samar, Gabriel. And Neil Bashiano. 23-year-old Gabby loves traveling to new places, meeting new people, and learning about different cultures.
Ang galing.
This adventurous beauty hopes to become either a businesswoman or a flight attendant someday.
Ang galing, wow. Ang galing.
Wow. Hey.
Wow. Wow.
Galing.
Bak, bongga.
Wow. Wow.
Ang ganda palagi siya. Ganda.
BB-19 from Borongan, Eastern Samar.
Wow, ang ganda ng sir.
Oh,
Sumabay siya sa hangin, hindi siya kumontra. Wow. Wow. Model kasi to.
Model, ang ganda.
Signature niya yung pag-ganon talaga. Wow.
Wow.
Ang taray mo, girl. So proud of you. Wow.
Kaya camera, wow. Nakikita talaga yung face ng camera. Oh my Kuya Mac Jud. Nakikita talaga yan sa camera. Kita-kita naman lang.
Wow. Hindi nakatalo-halo katayo na Pia and Gazini.
Yeah.
Ano, ang ganda Kuya Mac Jud. Ang galing. Nakapokus talaga sa
Ang
kanya yung
ganda,
camera.
may stitch presence.
From Padana, Davao del Sur.
Wow.
Binibini 14.
Ang ganda ng
Beatriz
swimsuit.
Felizarda.
Wow.
27-year-old Justin is a proud daughter of OFW parents. This licensed medical esthetician became an immigrant at a young age and has witnessed the hardships that her
Ang ganda ng
family
one
has
piece
to
niya.
overcome.
Ganda.
Binibini 14 from Beatriz Felizarda.
Wow, grabe yung...
Manaraga.
Maganda hindi niya hinahawakan.
Manaraga.
Maganda hindi niya hinahawakan. Ang ganda ng girl. In fairness.
Gazini ko ba yan?
Pak. May papwit siya, girl.
Kakaiba astig. Wow, very she walked. Wow.
Hindi magalaw pero pag nandun na yung...
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jud's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jud's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jud's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jud's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jud's channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nantay ko na lang.
Hello guys! Please subscribe to Mac Jud's